Hi, YouTube fam. My name is Roxy, and on this channel, we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you. Hey. I hope everyone is doing well on today. I am here to share with you another hot job lead. Now, before we get started, when I say the links to every job is in the description box below, this is exactly what I mean here, okay? Just to show you. So once you're on that desired video, you will scroll here. When you see more, click on more. And now here's the links to the video. You will go here, online job links, and go ahead and click on the link that you desire to apply for. Okay, I will have the name of the company, the description of the job, not the description, but the name of the job or the title, and then the pay if the pay is available. All right, so just want to show you how to navigate through the YouTube on that. Hey everyone. So before we get started, I do have two job leads that I do want to discuss with you all today. All right. But before we get started, I want to say a quote for today. If you are willing, or if you are not willing to learn, no one can make you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Okay. So just keep that in mind in your everyday journey, okay? Now, the first job lead I do want to go over with you all today is called Leave Associate, and it's with the company UMPC Careers. All right, this is a work from home position, full time. It's a day shift job. Alrighty, the salary for this position ranges from $18.78 to $31.22 an hour. The description: the associate leave specialist provides administrative and transactional support services for employees' leave of absence requests. Services include tracking and recording intermittent leave time used, identification of trending for the time used intermittently, and the request for recertification and management of non-complex leaves such as maternity leaves. Okay, so there's something like a post data job here. The role is, of course, work from home. Your responsibilities: you utilizes HR information system, payroll system, and web-based vendor software as needed to input and update leave data and generate reports. Communicates with the employee, manager, and HR professionals regarding leave utilization and recertification of intermittent leave time. Apply concepts and rules as mandated by guidelines for FMLA and other federal or state mandated or company specific leaves in coordination with customer policy. Supports inbound and outbound employee leave related calls. Track employee absences as reported via web, fax, phone, and email. Monitors administration of real-time absence reporting and intermittent time tracking. Develops recommendations to positively impact the efficiency and quality of service delivery. The qualifications at hand is high school graduate, minimum 1 year of customer service or general HR experience. Okay. Ability to use and navigate web-based software programs and Microsoft Office products like Outlook, Word, Excel, and etc. Ability to communicate effectively both verbally and in writing. All right, the licensure, certifications, and clearances. It says UPMC is an equal opportunity employer, disability veteran, total rewards, more than just competitive pay and benefits. UPMC's total rewards package cares for you in all areas of life because we believe that you're at your best when receiving the support you need: professional, personal, financial, and more. Okay, that's awesome. All right, so their values are at UPMC. We're driven by shared values that guide our work and keep us accountable to one another. Our values of quality and safety, dignity and respect, caring and listening, responsibility and integrity, excellence and innovation play a vital role in creating a cohesive, positive experience for our employees, patients, health plan members, and community. Okay. If you are ready to join this team, go ahead and apply now by clicking this purple apply now button at the bottom left and submit your resume. All right, next up we have a position with American Red Cross. Okay, it's called Customer Service Specialist. Again, this is a work from home position. All right, this particular role here makes $15 an hour. All right, so the job description: if you're looking for a full-time opportunity that makes a difference and you're passionate about meeting new people and you want to have an impact in your community across the country and around the world, we invite you to become a stock assistant for the American Red Cross. All right. Pay starting at $15 per hour, may be higher depending on previous experience and your location schedule details. It's full-time remote, and the hours are 12 midnight to 8:30 a.m. So this is a night shift position, and it's 5 days per week, and you must be willing to work weekends. On call 3 to 4 times per year. Rotate 3 working holidays per year as well. Okay. About this role: you will provide customer assistance in ordering blood and plasma derivatives and transfusion related products and supplies, maintain hospital inventory and return blood products within regulatory compliance, provide support, development, and or leadership guidance to all volunteers. Okay. Responsibilities: receive routine orders for a variety of blood and pharmaceutical products and transfusion related supplies, follow appropriate procedures, ensuring accurate order entry and order fulfillment, make follow-up calls if product needs cannot be met as expected, determine most economical method of transportation for hospital shipments, maintain work with data, tools, or computer programs to facilitate management and monitoring of product and service information, rotate inventory of primary and remote facilities to ensure adequate supplies of products for the needs of customers, provide service to clients, proactively communicate with hospital customers to increase customer satisfaction, maintain positive and professional communications, both internally as well as externally, to provide regular product, service information, and follow-up, promote teamwork. Okay. Investigate and resolve hospital shipment problems, receive, investigate, and communicate related to customers' concerns, complete customer concerns documentation accurately and timely, then forward it to the appropriate individual to follow up or review. Assist the hospital personnel with assist hospital personnel with inventory alternatives with when requested products are unavailable within established guidelines and procedures that assist the customer and the patient. All right, that was a mouthful. Qualifications: education, high school or equivalent required. Experience, minimum 1 year's related experience or equivalent combination of education and related experience required. Progressive experience in a dynamic, multitask operational environment preferred, but not required. Experience in blood or pharmaceutical inventory management, hospital, customer relations, logistics is preferred, not required. The skills and abilities, excellent oral and written communication skills, outstanding interpersonal skills in dealing with all levels of customers and staff, paid and volunteer. Must have excellent organizational skills, be able to handle multiple priorities effectively, problem solving and analytical skills, working knowledge of computers. Travel, some business travel may be required. Okay. Combination of candidates' education and general experience satisfies requirements so long as the total years equate to descriptions. Minimum education and general experience years combined. Management experience cannot be substituted. All right. And then the physical requirements, the physical demands described here are representative of those that must be met by an employee to successfully perform the essential functions of this job. While performing the duties of this job, the employee is regularly required to sit, use hands to handle or feel, and talk or hear, because you're going to be sitting at your desk. Okay. And then you can read the rest of that information here. If you feel like you are a right fit for this position, go ahead and click the Apply Now button up here at the top left. Okay? All right, and good luck to those who apply.
For those who stuck around this long, I will give you a bonus tip on that typingtest.com site I told you about in a previous video. You will see how it looks whenever you log in and get ready to take your test, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you. So you'll go ahead and click on the 1-minute test and you'll hit Start Test. Then you'll just start typing here. All right, so once you're done doing that, you'll hit Close. And it'll analyze your results. And see how I got 48 words per minute at 100% accuracy. And then it has a net speed as well as 58 words per minute. If you want to retake the test, you could go ahead and retake the test and all of that great stuff as well, okay? But just want to show you how this tool works. And this is a good way to get your typing skills up, okay? Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a great day.